Welcome to yet another video, and making it in the mix today will be Dwayne as he speaks about Gracie and her friend bloggers. Now, Dwayne spoke about Mixup boss and whatever he has going on with Gracie. I guess they're having a little problems right now. I'll let you go on to the video and watch Dwayne as he speaks about this. He also, mentioned that Mixup boss and Gracie will be cool pretty soon, because he knows that, that's how it is. So let's see what's gonna happen, and let's watch this as the story is in its developing moments right now. Remember to always like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Calling in for no bad reasons here. No bad nothing, right? I'm not gonna call Untouchable's Grace name for nothing bad, right? I call him and test me, I'm gonna chat about him. Come see him call me yesterday. I seen him call me yesterday. Said me call. If I not call, yeah, you hear about it, because I'm sure you have some people over here. They are going to call you and say, Dwayne Fletcher, I chat you, Gracie, I chat you. Come on, I chat with you. Not in a bad way though. Honestly, the other day I was scrolling YouTube. I was watching some videos, right? I was watching some prank videos. However, Mr. Gracie Live pop up. So I'm saying, all right, let me tune into Gracie Live to hear what's the topic of conversation today. Anyways, when I tuned into the conversation, the live, I heard she said ungrateful people. So I started, well, I will Gracie dashboard pan now. But when Gracie got into the conversation, Mr. Rotted, I'm pretty sure I mix up boss Gracie dashboard pan. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Mix up boss. But nah, choose side. No, people, I'm not choosing sides. I'm not choosing sides because I'm really not. Honestly, I'm kind of glad, like, I let me think of my words because I don't want to sound bad. In the beginning, I truly never liked me, never Mix Up boss, me never like you. You was one who could dot tips, man, but me never like, me not tell no, like, I did not like a bone in your body. Because clearly, you saw the little union me and Gracie are developing. And clearly, you clearly was somewhat in your feelings, and you perhaps wanted to drive a wedge between me and Gracie, whatever me and Gracie had. Mix Up boss. Know yourself, darling. Me not call about the name. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Anyways, honestly, when I first started going on Gracie's page, the boy used to cuss me. I used to cuss him back in the Gracie comments badly too. I don't care. I don't care who for platform in the first for your step by my card, you're gonna step back 3 times harder for your contour them. I mean, show us my contour them. No, not as bad as for your contour. Me trample upon your contour and I trampled on his contours. Anyways, like, I have a group on Facebook with like more than 50,000 people in the damn group. Anyway, because me never did I make him post in my group. And Gracie was the only person I was allowed to post in my damn group. Him getting them feelings. I think that's where the animosity started, because he saw Gracie posting her stuff in my group and him couldn't post in there. Anyways, Gracie did beg me. I'm gonna say, listen, Gracie. You know, see where the boy I was going to style me past social media. Why the box time I make him post in my group for? It's my group. Why should I make him post in my group? Anyways, cut a long story short. We start making posts in the group and we kind of become friends. We kind of became friends, you know? But me shocked for years saying... Mixup boss, you're wrong. Mixup boss. You is one person. You shall never deal with her. So if I say it go for true, if it goes like that for true, because I watched another video yet today, because she cleared her mind yesterday. All our sister come up on you. Imagine all them something there. How come they don't come up on me? And you is more friends with them than me. Mixup boss. If you did what the people them say, you are wrong. And I'm going to say categorically, you are wrong. Right? Them the words that should have never left you, because honestly, Grace treat you better than treat me. Or when me I claim Grace to be my friend, Mixup boss, Grace said, I have no friend on social media. They are not my friend, no, they are not my friend. Oh God. Mixup boss, my friend. Mixup boss, my friend. That's the only friend she used to claim on social media. I don't know. You style out like dog. You've gone further than anyone else has ever gone to my understanding. And that is very wrong. That the levels where you got to, that wrong. Hey Jody. It's very wrong. But Gracie, to your time now, Gracie, honest to God, people are going to use you for as long as you allow them to use you. You hear me? You hear me? I'm gonna call you little girl because you are younger than me. Little girl, people are going to use you for as long as you allow them to use you. Right? On a notice say, me leave from over YouTube and giving the YouTube because nobody will lie. I'm not running that enough. Me not run on the social media money. And make sure that said Dwayne feature everyone in that no social media money. That's why I left over there to the people who truly wants the money. And honestly, it is honest money. So whoever's on YouTube, me not bashing the sun over that YouTube money. We're not supposed to look at because it's a platform where you can make money pan and so and so and so. Right? But Gracie, I'm telling you real stuff. People are going to use you for as long as you allow them to. Right? Nobody ever lie. You say you don't have no friend on social media. And I would encourage you to keep it that way. People on social media, not for them only want to know you. Because they want to use you. And me figure that out over and over and over and over and over. Not saying anyone who me help, them use me. But actually, I might tell some people I've helped.
So that's it for today, blenders. Big up on a nice clean self and enough respect once again to you all. Thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. Have a wonderful day.